time zone. If you are seeing this video, this platform, this page, this channel for the first time, okay, subscribe to the channel, support us by subscribe to the platform so that whenever we are live, you will get notification. And when you subscribe, turn the notification bell on as well so that you will be notified whenever we come live or whenever we upload a video. So I hope all of you are doing good. I hope everything is all right with you. I hope everything is going well, smoothly with you. Okay, we are here to spend some time with us, just to be together and discuss one of the things, some of the things, not just one, some of the things that matters to us. Okay, and this video, I hope, is not going to be too long, but let's see how this one will go. And please don't forget to like the video. Like the video, it is very, very important. I see you guys. Chidu Bemu, you are the first place to comment, and Excellence Wachuku is here. Nice to have you guys on this one. Good morning to you all. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So yesterday we heard the news that Alo Ejimako went to visit Oyendu, and it was called to him that Oyendu is not feeling fine. In fact, maybe Oyendu demand to see his doctor. So, and they did, because not only him, they tried their best to make sure that they follow the normal procedure to the way the kidnappers requested that they should follow. And after doing that, after going through those process, the lawyer went there to see him, and they refused. The lawyer, not the lawyer, I always say the lawyer, the doctor, please. The doctor went there to see him, and they refused the doctor to have access to him. So PM and different government in exile decided to take action, and the action is sit at home. So on 29th of this month, and 29th and 30th and 31st, every government offices, Enugu, Anambra, Ebonyi, all the Biafran lands that where de facto government are intact, those places, and so of course, anybody, all of them know what we are talking about. They know the boundary, but sometimes they will pretend to ask you, where is this Biafran? Where is this one is Biafran? Is not the Biafran? The sit at home we're going to kick on 29th, 30th, 31st, and 2nd of August. So you have to keep the notes, have to keep the date, so that you are not going to say, I'm out, not daughter. So when you hear the bad, yes, it's a bad news, my dear. Excellence, what you said is very, very, very bad news. But God knows everything. So we cannot be God. We are human beings. So we are not going to pretend to be God, right? So the sit at home is going to start, like I said. And I asked question, if you have watched the video, our late night broadcast that we had, if you have not, let me repeat it again. Immediately after Alo Ejimako, announced the current condition, the current health condition of Oyendu, and the attitude of DSS and how they refuse to, assist him, or not even assist him, allow his doctors to see him, because all of them they are forming, Galadima, they're forming champion, right? Sonny, I see you. Nice to have you on this one. Nice to have you here this hour, this morning. I hope all is well with you and your family. So they refused to give the access, and PM says something very important, which I'm trying my best to locate that video. It just came to my mind. I did not prepare to share it, but since we are talking about the activities of these people, Let me see if I can be able to bring it up immediately, because the issue is this: the same people that refuse to give, that are acting this, that are doing this nonsense, they are the one that whenever they are sick, they will run to France, to other places. No, not PM share that, not PM, sorry, not PM. The person that made that statement is Kanu, and that could be the reason why I did not share it, because so I think I'm not a very active, but the video, his post just I got the feed, so I happened to read what he said, but unfortunately I did not share that. I did not save it. So, but the question he asked is very, very good. Okay. The same people that are this president and senators, the governors, that are telling DSS not to do the needful, not allow Masakan to see his doctors, whenever they have any health issue, they will fly they will fly to France, UK, other European countries to do medical checkup. But Masakan is not worthy to see his doctor, right? Of what offense did he commit? I don't want to make this program I don't want to target, turn this program just to Oyendo's issue, or the condition that Oyendo found himself and because of in the hands of the kidnappers. But what it simply means is that since they are good at doing, they don't care about other people's life, but their own is what they see as most important and most valuable. There are many ways to engage a mosquito. It's either you use hand to engage mosquito, or you can use fleet. But here is what Biafran government have chosen to do, and that is making sure that sit at home is on, and that sit at home will start without any delay on 29th, 30th, and 31st. So I think I made it clear, and I post the flyers on my community. You can see it, you can go through it anytime you want. Here in this platform, you will see the post. I made the post before starting this program, because I promised that I will share it last night or early this morning. But unfortunately, I was not able to do that because I was running out of time. So I don't have that much time to do that then. But now I have done it. You can you can go through my community here and you see it, or it is in a PM's platform as well on Twitter. So there are many Biafrans have shared it actually, but we need to make let everybody to know that this is sit at home day. The number of days that the government in Nigeria have outlined must be respected, must be follow the instruction as well as a Biafran. So that is all I have to say about it. Let's move to another thing. Okay. When you hear Anthony Emeka, good morning, brother, watching from Mozambique. Thank you so much for your good work towards Biafra restoration. We love you. God bless you. I love you too. And some of us are not following PM on Twitter. I don't know why. You need to follow PM on Twitter. Is a task that everybody must do. Okay, it's very, very important. So today we are going to kind of discuss something somehow different, if I may use the word, but different from what we normally talk about. That is what about the food. Okay, about the food. Normally we have been told that an Igbo is a dot, right? It's dot in circle, and we don't have anything. We don't have oil. We don't have water. We don't have land. We don't have land to farm. We don't have anything. We don't have, right? Everything, just to make you feel that, oh, we are in Nigeria because we are handicapped. We don't have any place to go. We don't have anyone to call for. We don't know what to do. The answer is a lie. It's not true. They just want to use that to make you feel weak, and just to make you feel that you are valueless. Okay, you don't have any value of your own. You don't have anything to be proud of yourself. that is where, you know, the kind of their tactics to hinder you from moving forward. But we are not paying attention to everything they're doing, and it is making more sense to us. And we have to be sharing it, of course. Chris M is here. Good morning to you, my brother. Nice to have you. You know what? The reason why I'm going through comment section is because I want to know how many of us are watching the live. That's why it's very, very important that you comment so that we know, okay, that this kind of brokers, this hour, that's the, you know, that there's a chance for you to, the tendency of you people to be here, you know, this kind of, by this time. Some people, and maybe people that lives in Canada, I think they don't, now this could be their late hour, maybe midnight or something like that. I don't know about their time zone, but you get what I'm trying to say. And before I discussed about that, you know, what farmers from Biafran land are producing now. We have seen a lot of things like tomato, cash crop, a lot of nice stuff. Something that they have told you in the past that you cannot grow this kind of food or this kind of, you know, what do they call it? Tomato, you know, all these cash crops, okra, onions, name it, tiger nut and all that. They can't grow it in our land, but we are now seeing people, you know, harvesting it from their farmland in different land. Remember, they told you that we don't have land. But before I bring that video, I want you to understand that Nigerianists, they are working hard to conduct protests. Somehow they love what is going on in Kenya. How the Kenyans are very vocal, paying the price to make their country good, right? If peradventure that this kind of maybe the protest yield good fruit, that Kenya begin, maybe they turn this around to become one of the countries that obey rule of law, that don't follow the footsteps of Nigerian anymore. They have their own mind, they control their destiny. And Nigerians will be going there, right, seeking for their visa. But now they're paying the price. None of them want to emulate that. Chi, baby, I see you. Nice to have you on this one. Thank you for your comment. Nice to have you, my dear. So this lady here, which let me flip the camera so you can see her. So this lady asked a very, very important question, which so you will hear what she said. The Northerners are now somehow they have two different sets of people in the north. Some want to protest, some don't want. Some want to be too loyal, you know, to Tinubu because Yorubas were so loyal to Buhari and in their words. Then Igbo said that they're not going to protest, which we all encourage our people not to protest. So the lady said, the question is, who is now organizing the protest? Since the three major groups, Nigerians have different opinion and different, even although what people want to protest, but they have this kind of protest that you must go to your own region to protest, and that is not, and you know, it doesn't make any sense. Just technically, they don't want protest because they don't want to hurt the feeling of their Baba. Now let me play it.
Is the fate of the forthcoming nationwide protest? What exactly is the fate of the forthcoming nationwide protest? You all know that there's protest slated for the 1st of August till the 10th of August. So right now I'm seeing this particular trend. Me, I no understand. I just get confused. So if the outsiders are saying that they are not joining the protest because it will be unfair for them to protest against, Tinubu, as they give Buhari 8 years to govern, that it will be so unreasonable for them to come out now and protest that the president right now has started governing for just a year. While some Igbos are saying that they did not vote, that the people that voted should go out and protest, that the Igbos Yorubas are saying that they will not let anybody protest and damage any, government properties. So now who won't come protest? Because I just understand. Division don't even dey already. Tribalism don't enter this protest already. Protest when we say it never starts. Tribalism don't enter. So if Hausas are saying they are not protesting, Yorubas are saying no, we will not allow them protest, and Igbos are saying no, he's not our president, we did not vote for him. So now who won't come protest?
This is the reason why I decided to play this video. You see this ending part of this video where she said that tribalism don't enter the protest before the protest starts even. See, I mean, if you can be honest to yourself, tribalism have never ever leave Nigeria. It is always there, and it's just that when you yourself notice it is when you think that it is there. It's always there, and tribalism can never ever end. It must be there. And why tribalism is the order of the day in Nigeria? One thing is for sure. Politicians understand the tribalism and they're utilizing it for their own benefit. Why non-politicians, people that I just want to say, oh yes, members, they are ready to go to fight dirty to make sure that they make that this their own tribe, they satisfy their tribal sentiment. Do you understand? Without even making any money out of it? No. It's just to make sure that you that they want to show, they want to rub it on your face, that you feel the pain. One thing again that she said is that nothing as saying that it would be unfair for them to protest against Tinubu, that he's just 1 year in the office, but they gave them 8 years. Who are them? Who gave them 8 years? Because they are seeing Nigerian politics as, 2-horse race. One Yoruba, one the North. All of you, other people are just voters. Your own is to go and vote. And some of them, gave their life trying to vote a good leader. We forgot that INEC is not meant to elect a good leader or call result the way people chose it to, have voted it to be. They have to use their own power to change it, to twist it, to favor their own orga at top. This is what is going on. And when people say that we must go, for Biafran, some of you think that it's just about hatred. Some even say that it's because of oil. A lot of excuses. Some of them that are giving these excuses, they know the truth, but they are shying away from it. Now let's continue.
Abisha now only me they confused for this matter. Oh, he's not our president, we did not vote for him. So now who won't come protest? Abisha now only me they confused for this matter.
You are not supposed to be confused. It's just that you don't pay attention to what is going on. Because one thing I noticed about Nigerians is that they don't see things the way they're supposed to see it, because that thing is happening to other people. They have to wait until it starts happening to them. They will not say, okay, they will not start paying attention to know the feeling to be there. One day, good morning. Keep up your good work. We'll be fidelis. God bless you. And Rich, the African elder. I don't know what you're talking about. What kind of language are you sending here? Many people love to be free. To do what it takes to be free.
What exactly is the phrase of
all of them? So many of them want to be free, but none of them want to do what they're supposed to do to be free. The tribal bigots and tribalistic manner of Nigerians, the tribal, I don't want to insult anybody, but I'm trying to choose my words carefully. Some of them are very, very, they are very, very, what is the word? They are kind of quiet, okay? They always want to be quiet when things is going wrong but that wrong thing is being perpetrated by their brother or their sister or someone from their region. They want to be quiet. But when it has to do with something that's, Igbo related, then they're all, they will see them, all of them, they will be very, very vocal. Why is it that when a northerner says something about Yorubas, they don't talk more about it, right? Yorubas people will just pretend, let's just forget about it. But once it has to do with Igbo, that is a problem. I will share this with us. Imagine an Igbo man, okay? Imagine. Let me flip the camera. This is a post made by 99% oppressed. Said this: how the Oni of Ife, Adeyeye, Enaj Babatunde Ogunsi, scammed an innocent Nigerian and a daughter of Osun State the sum of $180,000 in investment property and romance teacher. Follow this story. It will be very long read for 6 weeks with the loss of facts and evidence. I will be sharing receipts with different bloggers and media houses. The victim will do series of videos explanation that will be posted. She will also speak live on X Twitter space for the whole world to listen. Other avenues are currently being explored in the use on this case. Explored in the us on this case. I don't know what I mean by that. Enough is enough, he said. Now we can go on and on to read this, right? You see it here. But the problem, one thing I want to highlight here is that this person is talking about the traditional rulers of Yoruba land, only of Ife, that he called him, Oyen teacher, that he scammed somebody money and all that. And he attached it with his picture. Okay? Disclaimer, this is not to belittle the monarch of Yoruba, no. Or this is not to laugh at him or what. I don't know the details about the story. It's still just mere a kind of. It's just that it's not as if it is verified news yet, but allegedly that he committed this kind of thing. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I don't want to sound like everything is done and dusted. No, I don't want that. But whether this thing is true or not, I believe it is true. But that's not the reason why I'm bringing it. I'm reacting to it. The reason why I'm reacting to it is the response and the tone of words of Yorubas. Those people that always tell you that Igbos are criminal, Igbos are this, Igbos are that. They changed their words immediately. They started sounding, showing concern. If you read their words, because the person that made this post, that is behind this 99 post, is not evil. And how do I know? Let us read. Can you try this with Sultan of Sokoto? You are publicly calling the spiritual head of Yoruba race a criminal, and you think this is cool. Do you think you are faceless? Is this activism? Is this politician? Is this politics? Do you understand the social implication of what you are doing? After carrying out this defamation act, you will now come in. You now come in the near future to ask for help. Can you defame the Sultan of Sokoto? You won't dare it because your judgment would be instant. Do you understand that? The same people They are the one. I'm talking about people like this guy that made. You can see that his word, his tone of words, his choice of words seems to be a kind of. He's trying to be considerate, trying not to go, wide, attacking anybody or saying something. He's trying to, point out the reasons why this person that made the post shouldn't have made the post against their monarch. But guess what? The same people will tell you, will make a video and post that the Igbo man is the one that destroyed Nigerian with the criminality. The Igbo man is the one that I'm telling, they will be saying all those nonsense, trying to mock and to belittle Igbo person. That is why today, as an Igbo person, we don't have any Igwe or traditional ruler that is well respected, that respect. None. It's not as if we don't have culture, ancient culture. It's not as if we don't have our own tradition that is well rich. I mean that all this rich culture that you're talking about, of Ife, so it's all about packaging. If you package your own, it becomes Ife Ipolon Kita Ko Gaza. Onye mo wu ya kpọkọrọ ewere kpọ ntụ ime onwe gị ife ji ya for ahịa like komkom or plastic or anything best na eji ya for ahịa a ga-eji gị na-ekpo ntụ. The attack on our people is very, very huge. Now, link it to Biafran agitation, our freedom. After the same people telling you that Igbos are this, Igbos are that, Igbos are this, Igbos are that, when people go after them, they will first of all say the name, where you're from. Any other person can say something against them, they're okay. But once it's an Igbo person, headline news, everybody will be talking about it. You see? So a lot of comment here, which we are not going to go through it. So the owner of Ife, the traditional ruler of Yoruba land, that this person is trying to tell you that he's a criminal, is this, is that. With that, I cannot tell you that it is true or not, but I believe that it is possible because Nigerians is that he's owner of Ife, that he's a traditional ruler, does not mean that he is so pure. Many of them, just like our own Igwe, all these autonomous Igwes and even non-autonomous Igwes, but most of them are just like politicians. They are looking at their tenure, not their seat. They are looking at their tenure. How long will they are going to be here? Igwe is lifetime tenure, right? So they will focus on protecting themselves, on charming, using charm to equip themselves without respecting their office. Because to them, money matters. Everything is about money. There's no title in Igbo land today that all those positions from our land have not abused. They have abused all of them. So I am not in support of anybody attacking any considered authority or traditional rulers. But I cannot tell you that I'm very, very proud of anybody in Nigeria that is, there's even priests, reverend fathers and sisters, pastors, they all have this criminal tendency because that's how Nigeria made it to be. When Adebayo they said that if you don't pay tax, you're not going to go heaven. Do you think that statement is normal? It's not normal. But that is the best way that he can, use. That's the best way that he thinks that he felt that he can, push his agenda out there for people to start contributing under that. So, my goodness. Okay, thank God I did not show this human body. My goodness. Okay, let me skip it so that it's not appear on this video. Richard, I see you. I see you guys. Thank you all for your time. And Chuku Kadibia. Chuku Kadibia, I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. So we have to share this good news somehow. Rich Mark says, "See me." Is this your first comment, or have you commented? Have you put comment before? This is your first comment, and you are you are telling me to see you. I have seen you, my dear. I see you. I think once you put your comment, I will see it. All right. From time to time, I'll be checking comment section. To be honest. Okay, you say not first comment. Okay, maybe I did not see it here. I did not see it, my dear. Sorry about it. I'm trying to, I'm the comment. Not every comment will come. We appear here because unless if I use my computer, then I can. Every comment must surely come there. But this phone sometimes I have to refresh many times before comments will appear. Now I can see that you will put 1, 2, 3, 4 comments. Thank you so much, Rich. I see you. Don't mind me, okay? I don't take you for granted, of course. Why would I do that? Okay, please like the video. If you don't mind, just click on the like button. Thank you, guys. What you are seeing here is tomato that our people, farmers from Biafran land, Igbo land, harvested, and this is their own. Look at it. Not from Jos, so from the tomato Jos. Before I know American guy. If you that our people are focused on businesses does not simply mean that we don't have fertile land to, cultivate. Forget about the map of Nigeria that shrink your land map, making it look like as if you have the entire Igbo people is just like a 3 plots. We know who we are. We know where we come from. Our land knows us. This is the land, what farmers, produce. Okay, farm produce from our land. It's not from Gongoro North. No, I am not undermining the North Fulani and Hausa farmers. No, but we have to be honest to ourselves that we have land that we can cultivate all those things from our own. Just that we felt that the reason why we don't have much farmers from our region is because even people feel that there's no much money in farming. You understand? We can make more money times 10 selling boutique or selling something, putting goods and that kind of thing. But that does not mean that if you push us to go and farm, that we are going to come back empty. It's not true. I have seen some man, I think from in Anambra, somewhere in Anambra, harvest. I think he cultivated a cucumber. If you see the size of cucumber, you'll be shocked. The other person, made a video of his granules. A lot of things. The only thing is that, are you devoted? Can you spend your time to do that? Our land is fertile, just like other parts of Nigeria as well. But different land is highly, highly fertile. Okay, let me allow the volume to come out so that you can hear for yourself.
That's good. Look at the mantle. Wow, this guy is doing well.
Oh, this one from Osoka in Enugu State. And not only in Soka, and in Anambra, you have land that will cultivate. You can plant this tomato farm, and it will germinate. You can harvest a lot. But some of our people are still very, very myopic. Look at what the comment that this person said here. He said, government should encourage this set of farmers to do more. Which government are you talking about? Is it Peter Mba or Tinubu? Which of the government are you talking about? Some of us are not. Some of us are very fun. So you really think that as an Igbo person, as an Igbo farmer, government will support you? And I check will support you. That is right. Okay, let me even say something, because why our people are not making videos of what they harvest from their farmland is because of the work of reference. That's just the fact. If not, do you know how many IDB they wanted to build in Enugu State alone? So you can, we are not, talking about farming and harvesting something where we feel happy when you see this company, right? Because people are not protecting the land. Yes, somehow you see, sometimes you see random Fulani people, but that doesn't mean that they have their free will to do what they normally do or what they have done in other parts. Dinah, I see you. Good morning to you. Good morning to you, my sister. Nice to have you on this one. Thank you so much. In Yoruba land, I have seen a video of their farmers as well. They made a video of what their farmers harvest, what they cultivate, what they can produce from their own land, which is another tomatoes, of course, tomato farm as well. Because as na anụbawa nnụnụ fewa ebe dinta amụta ịgba na echeha na that's igba ya. I don't know how they normally put that adage, but what I'm trying to say is that since the Northerners have decided to brag with their farm produce, telling you that they do this, they do that, Oduduwa farmers have taken it upon themselves. The same thing with the Southeast. So, which is good. By the time everybody's, venture into this agriculture, it will change the narrative. Then Oduduwa will be producing their own. We can have a country versus country transaction when Biafra comes, right? That's what we want. Because we will be sharing border, and immigration. Our immigration will be doing their business, doing their job normally, without any stress. Those who want Ruga, we focus their Ruga in the region without disturbing other people. That's how it should be. That is how it should be. Not by telling you, okay, you must give, but you must do this, you must do that. No, it doesn't work that way. So, as I made mention of what the federal government in Israel have done and what they intend to do to respond to Nigerian government over the refusal of the Mazen Kano's lawyer to check him, to examine his body. And the Daily Post said this: Biafran EPA lead Biafran government in Israel issues strong warning over Nnamdi Kanu's health. That warning is all about that sit at home that I told you about. And maybe tomorrow or next, Biafran government in Israel will see update more, because of course before the 29th of this month, I hope to receive. We hope to see more updates on the plan and the everything they have intact to make sure that sit at home will take place. Okay, so that is how it should be. Then let me bring this to you. Just pay attention. Let's listen to this together.
In America, you will be in jail. I keep saying this. Every broadcast I come and I tell you, all of you were there. Let me tell you what the Fulanis have in store for you. Come into ordinary business. In every sphere of the economy, the Fulani dominate. Their stranglehold is total. They own over 90% of the oil wells. The reason why they own these oil wells is because people from the coastal region of Biafra land forgot who they are to allow the enemy to come in.
Okay.
That is why Ogoni land is polluted and can never be cleaned. That is why every year resource control with nothing happening, because of the efficiency of divide and rule that they applied. Of course, the British applied. Let me tell you what they have done. Cement. Everybody must buy cement to build a house.
Exactly.
Because of the way the white man taught us to build houses. Whereas before we used to use clay to build our houses to maintain the temperature inside at 26 or 27 degrees centigrade. And all of a sudden it's all breeze block. That is a conductor of heat. Let's put that to one side. For you to build a house. Let me tell you how clever the Fulanis are with their British advisors. Everybody needs shelter at some point. If you're successful in life, you're bound to build a house. Even if you don't build, you're bound to rent a house. You're not going to sleep outside. The landlord that built the house or the owner of the house must have built it with the cement. You see how clever they are. The Fulanis thought to themselves, let us control the cement industry. How are they going to control it? By killing off and closing every other cement producer in the country. So that only one man, he's not going to produce the cement, he's going to import the powder and bag it somewhere in Lagos. That's how you have Dangote cement. Over the years. Some of you may have forgotten, but my uncles used to work at 9jeria cement factory at Nkalago, built by Dr. Michael Opara. 9jeria is called, on Nkalago cement. Some of you have forgotten, but I'm sure if you're as old as I am, you remember BCC Lions of Boko. Have you forgotten Lion Cement from Benue? BCC means Benue Cement Company. They used to have cement in Benue State. There was Elephant Cement, Ego Cement, Ashaka Cement, Boham Cement. Even if Beto had his own cement. Now, if people complain, they don't have any jobs, they are mistress, they have no jobs. But you people, the same Fulani that you people idiotically voted for, or claim you voted for, are the people that shut down all these factories. They want Fulani to control you. They gave the monopoly, the license to import cement to one single Fulani man. Dangote. That was why they put Ibeto in prison. EFCC called him and imprisoned him to stop him from selling cement. Only one Fulani, only one, mind you, the control of the oil. Only one Fulani man. Some of you are so stupid in Nigeria. I don't know the type of God that made some of you, but I will educate and I will enlighten you. If you listen to us without bias, believe you me, your life can never be the same again. Your brain will open. Let me give you an example of what is happening soon. Before now, there was nothing, and Obasanjo is very stupid. I'm telling you, Obasanjo is an idiot. Obasanjo was the man that rubber stamped some of these things I'm telling you right now this evening. Not only do Fulanis control the oil well, there were a lot of people, thousands of people working in the refineries. Let me tell you what Equatorial Guinea. They went into a consortium with the British and built a refinery in Exeter, in England. Now, this crude oil that previously would have been refined in One, in Iguacha, Port Harcourt refinery, in Warri, or to an extent Kaduna, now we ship them abroad and made every worker in that place useless, rendered them unemployed. Money wasn't coming in. I want people to understand when Lai Muhammad was saying, what holds us together is more than what's all that rubbish, nonsense. I want to tell you how Fulani took over your lives before your eyes, as you're watching talking about Nigeria, our flag, our team, Super Eagles, Green Eagles, talking about the Fulani, we are stealing lives away from you before your own eyes. Fulani was not content in owning the oil wells. They shut down the refineries where our parents were working. Remember, they shut down the cement sector. Very critical. Every day there's construction going on, isn't it? It's a very critical sector of the economy. Building raw materials, of course. Fulani, Dangote, one man. Now let me tell you what they did very cleverly. They came to the petrol. Not owning the oil well is not enough, to tell you how much they hate you. They call you a Nigerian, let's unite, but they despise you. Honestly, hate you.
It's true.
If not, why would they shut down all the cement factories and allow one man to import? I didn't say produce, import. You will have limestone in Nkalago right now in Ebonyi State rotting away. Shut down. BCC in Nuboko, shut down. Maybe that could have taken it to rebad, not to produce, not to manufacture cement, but to import cement powder and repack it. That's all that they do. And they claim they love you. They claim they want to see Nigeria progress. I am doing this program this evening to let the whole world understand that there is no basis for unity in Nigeria, because the whole thing is based on evil and wickedness. Why? Because Fulani people are not hardworking people. They can't wake up by 5 or 4 in the morning to go to work. I challenge anybody all those factories that we see in Lagos, in all those industrial belts, I challenge anybody anywhere in the world to tell me if a Janjaweed can wake up by 4 in the morning to go to work in a factory. I challenge the challenge to everybody. Show me one. Now listen. They took over cement, which is very critical. They took over oil itself. The only way that people, private individuals, share available easily to make fuel available to run out. No, not at all. To tell you how evil they are. Those claiming and shouting one Nigeria to tell you how satanic they are. They moved all those jobs abroad by shutting down all the refineries you have in your Zoom country. And who is the judge of NNPC? Fulani and the Kiari family. Understand? Now, you see what they did? They now moved crude oil abroad to the refineries that they built with stolen money from the public coffers. It doesn't end there. Denying you jobs is not the end. It's not even their problem. Now, to bring that refined petrol back into Nigeria, you will not pay subsidy again to bring back into the country what left the country for free.
Okay, and when I see a comment like this, I always want to react to it. Mary Walebe said, "Shut up and do something different, Nigeria. Do something different. Nigeria is you and me. First of all, you should say Nigeria is from you and me. I have to put 4. Okay, and Nigeria is you and me. That is Nigeria is you and me. This is your grammar. You say your name is Cheme, but to be honest with you, this your grammar simply make me to feel like you are not. I think you are not. I begin to feel something about you. You are not Igbo. And why are you bearing shame, Mary? Why? If you say that I'm lying, tell me that you are not. Then I will send you a number so that you call. Then you speak. If you speak Igbo, then I will be sure that I will feel okay that you know what I'm saying. And if you say that Nigeria is for you and me, if that's what you mean, then you are wrong. Okay? And people like you feel that, when you hear people talking about Biafra or freedom, you think they're attacking you, they hate you. It's not about hating you. It's about, saving lives. I hope you understand what I'm saying. But I will wait to hear from you. If you are real, if you say you are a real human being, then I will give you a number to call on WhatsApp here, live on this program. Then I would love to hear from you. But I know, out of cowardness, you are not going to do that, are you? You are not going to do that. But all you can have is beside camera, or keyboard and type with a jargon. Let's continue, Mike. Let's continue.
I see. Pull back into Nigeria. You will not pay subsidy again to bring back into the country what left the country for free. I see.
Okay.
Only if black people can be seen. They took away cement sector, very critical in the building of an economy in the world. They took away oil, which is the only thing that you have, so to speak. They export it, they export it and they make money. They bring it back and you pay tax for it. Yet no refineries are working. That is how you have fuel subsidy. The meaning of fuel subsidy is that your refineries are not working. Not that they will not work if you don't burn them, because Fulani shut it down. Then they will control your lives. 2 sectors. We must all eat, isn't it? Everyone must feed every day. You have to eat something. There is no food you cook in our land without salt in it. No. You must add salt now. It's no. You cannot have tea in the morning without sugar. Dangote. Ordinary Indomie. Dangote. There was a Biafran I met in Netherlands. They want to bring him into the zoo. I think he brought sample. They arrested him at the airport and put him in jail for trying to disrupt Dangote's stranglehold on the, should I say, the ready meal industry, pasta and all this other rubbish that people eat. Only them. Only them. You cannot feed without contributing to Fulani domination of your life.
This is true.
In religion, those of you who are Muslims, Fulani is number one. Politics, they are number one. Army, they are number one. The police, they are number one. Everywhere, they are number one. Anytime you talk, unity, 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 they hate you, they kill you, they arrest you, they shoot you, anything, unity. Because they know what they're benefiting. Exactly. The final game is to hand over our land and our forests to their brothers and sisters from the Sahel. And it's happening before our eyes. Bonet shut down. Refinery. That could have employed millions of people. Ibocha down. Warre down. Even Kaduna. Who built Kaduna refinery? It's not Obasanjo. They asked me, said he's diversifying the location of major industries. He wanted to please the Fulani masters that put him in power. They built Kaduna refinery. You have to move oil all the way from the south to the north. They can pipe oil to the north and everywhere else, but they cannot pipe clean water to your homes. They cannot pipe gas to your homes. And they claim, they tell you, we protect one Nigeria. We are all Nigerians. We are going to make progress. Progress how? For how many years? How can you make progress by shutting down industries that employ people, rendering them unemployed, and importing into the country finished items and products that you could have produced in your country? Are you listening to me?
What a powerful message from Oyendo. What a powerful message from Oyendo. Anyway, my people, let's visit the last option, because Oyendo have said it all, and this is why people need to pay attention to know your problem before giving answer, before trying to solve it. Try your best to know the problem first, okay? And I believe that what Oyendo said here is you have a very, who is this one again? Who is this one again? Well, that's why Oyendo, is the best, because he knows how to bring it to you, to get you to understand, to see reasons why you need to do the needful. Okay, there's a post that Reno Mokri made, and today I tried to go to his page. I couldn't even, I don't know if I blocked him or not. I can't see his page here. But 2 days ago, if I'm not mistaken, 2 days ago, he made a post where he was saying that that Tinubu government have reconciled with the UAE, for visa, for people to start applying for the visa and all that. They have done their negotiation and everything. But after they made that broadcast, and those of them that are pro Tinubu, most of them were happy to hear that and all that. But the truth, these people have exposed him, exposed Tinubu's government caught creating fake UAE website to mislead Nigerians on UAE visa ban. Do you understand? Now, for you to know what this means is that this man is very, very good in forging everything. Tinubu, I'm telling you gospel truth. So what it simply means here is that they create a website pretending that is the official website of this UAE government, and from there they will be dishing out news that will make you to go, wow, that they're achieving something. So that's information of Tinubu posted. They know now. Everybody knows that he used fake website just to make Nigerians to feel relaxed and everything is all right. Then Kurumi Kagafo said, can you try this with Southern also? Okay, that is different from the one what I'm talking about now. Let me expand it more. Oh God. Anyway, I cannot open the website from here, so that I will not open because I know next thing is they will try their best to hack multiple accounts and all that. They will try, but they're not going to succeed. They're not going to succeed on that. I think I don't have that. I don't have it with me here. I don't have it now. Maybe later I will get a video. So Reno Mokri was kind of celebrating, telling people to see reason why the government is working and all that. You know, they're not. He's normally right. You know that kind of talk. He's like that. He loves so much, picking fights just to gain favor and to have more engagement. That's it. Nothing more. And that is why you must follow the instruction and avoid being used. Okay. Let me bring a. So let's go to this. Everything in Nigeria is fake because of their criminal people are in power and position without any integrity. That is very sad indeed. There's nothing like integrity. Do they know anything integrity? The answer is no. So let me open this message so you can see that N News Media is the people that own this platform. They said that Tinubu, look at it, exposed. Tinubu government caught creating fake UAE website to mislead Nigerians on UAE visa ban. Do you understand? So when you okay, do I have to flip the camera? Let me see. Just a moment. You can see here, this is the report. Nigerian investigative journalist David Hundre has exposed President Bola Tinubu administration for false charming, for false claiming that the United Arab Emirates (UAE) has lifted its visa ban on Nigeria. And I got this information from Reno Mokri. He shared that information and was like, okay, if that is the case, so be it. But here we are. Here's a different thing about what happened that day. About what happened okay, this news platform, to be honest with you, is not foreign platform. This is Nigerian page. This is Nigerian NN. Look at it, NN. Just hold on. Let me bring a hand. Now, hey, NN News Media. I was thinking that it's Arabic platform. This is Nigerian platform. You know, because here he said Nigerian investigative journalist. I was thinking, are they working with these people? But it is very clear now that they're not them. Not them because Tinubu forging this, everything forge. He created this website just to make it look like that everything is all right, there's no problem and there's nothing, but there is a problem. Now the website he made is this. Okay, this one is the people that proposed this. Wow. Tinubu president. This one, this man is not a shame, not a shame at all. Nigerian investigative journalist David Odin has exposed President Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration for falsely claiming that United Arab Emirates (UAE) has lifted its visa ban on Nigerians. Okay, third fund. This is okay. Let me. Hidden investigation revealed that the website used by Nigerian government to process UAE visa application, which is ae.government.nigeria, is not the official UAE government website. According to Scam Device, the website actually owner is hiding their identity by using a paid proxy service. Holding also knows that official UAE government website ends with the government AE URL. Why the website is question is why the website in question is simply AE. A tweet from this person has suggested that Nigerian government likely trying to fleece Nigerians by creating a fake website, as UAE has probably only requested that Nigerian government ensure proper visits proper vid of visa application before they apply. The Tinubu administration claimed that UAE has lifted its visa ban on Nigerians appear to be false and an attempt to mislead the public. Nobody is going to question him because he's a president and nobody cares about anything that he does. He stands, whatever he chooses stand. And his people, Reno Mokri and Sima, they will not see this one. They will not. They will, in fact, they won't want. They don't want anybody to talk about it. Because this one choke. It really choke. The exposition will be here. To be honest with you, it's a very very shameful act, and just that he's lucky somehow because UAE is not all that kind of. It's not something. This is not an offense that they can buy or something like that. But knowing fully well that Nigeria is a brotherhood country as an Arabic country, they are going to consider and let the case die off. Anyway, my people, I am sorry that we are not going to prolong this video. We are going to end it now because I want to, engage myself with other things. Then later tonight, we are going to broadcast again. Please make sure you subscribe and make sure you are here when we stream again, because I don't want to make this one to go too long. You understand? So thank you so much for your time, and please share it and share the video, like and comment. Bye bye for now. Take care and enjoy your day. Bye bye for now. Thank you.